Hey everybody, welcome back to my modern homestead. My name is Janet, and whether you're new or whether you're returning, I'm so glad you're here. Seriously, you guys, we've got a lot of new friends on our channel, and I just want you to know that I appreciate each and every one of you. But today, I've got a fun delivery in the mail. This is from a store called Sassafras Creek Originals. Is it Originals? Yes, Originals. And the owner of that store is Candy. Now, Candy has her own YouTube channel. It's Cabin Crafts. If you like seeing, you ever seen Early American or Frontier Patriot? I love those channels. This is their friend Candy, and she is often featured on their channels. And I have wanted to order something from her store for a long time, but I just haven't taken the chance to do it. But the other day she posted that she was doing mystery boxes from her store, and that the focus would be like harvest or canning. And I was like, hello, screaming the perfect opportunity at me. So I ordered a box and I asked, could I do an unboxing on our channel here? And she said, of course, just to make sure that I've sold out first, so that it's not a spoiler for anyone else who's ordered. There's a fly on my window. It's a big fly. It was distracting me, sorry. So that it wouldn't be a spoiler for anyone else who had ordered the mystery box. So today I thought we would open it up and see what's in it. It came in the mail. It was so quick, y'all. That was some super fast shipping. And it came from Missouri. I want to go visit where they're from. It sounds like the neatest place. It's a historical area, and they do a lot of reenactments and period dressing and shops. I know there's a fly on my ceiling. What in the world? See the invasion of the flies. Is it hot where y'all are? It's hot where we are. We're under a heat advisory. But anyway, let's open it up. Let's see what's in here. Goodness, she wasn't kidding. It's a mason jar pour spout. Pour cap. Just screw it onto a regular mason jar and it will act as a pour spout. Oh, I'm so excited. If y'all are new to the channel, or you haven't been paying really close attention to the ends of my videos, my canning videos especially, I collect towels. I love to kind of match them to the theme of what we're doing. And that's in this package. And this, oh, is that felching, Candy, or needling? I'm not quite sure. It's a little pen. Isn't that cute? A little watermelon. But look, it's a towel. I get ridiculously excited over towels. And look, it's got the little mason jar on it. If I can ever get it unfolded. There we go. I can't wait to do a canning project and let that be at the end of my videos. Y'all, if you don't watch to the end of my videos, those are usually my favorite parts. And the corn. This says it's a Swedish dishcloth, and it's sure to be your new fave. They make a perfect cleaning cloth for all household chores. Use them with plain water or with cleaners. After use, rinse and hang or lie flat to dry. Dishwasher safe and machine washable. Each dishcloth replaces 17 rolls of paper towels. Whoa. And it lasts 6 to 9 months. How cute! I've never seen anything like this. And how smart to save on paper towels. I love that. Oh, Candy, you're awesome. And there was something else. It's wrapped up. Oh, I'm excited. have to guess, I would say salt and pepper shakers. Candy, this was the neatest idea. I'm not sure if she does these every month or has been doing them every month, or if this is something she just started, but oh my goodness, they're little soy candles. How cute is that in these little mason jars? Oh my. Y'all, that smells good. Apricot Grove. And y'all remember, you can visit Candy's site, Sassafras Creek. Sassafras. I'm sorry, Candy. Sassafras Creek. Now that is different. It didn't smell like what it said at first. That smells good. That's so fresh. Well, fresh picked apple. At first I thought it said pickled. That would be different, wouldn't it? Oh, but Candy, these were awesome. Thank you for that opportunity. I can't wait for the next mystery box. And if you check her out on YouTube, she puts a notification on YouTube if you're interested in a box. Now, this was not sponsored by her. I bought this with my own personal money. In fact, part of the money I made for my first month of getting paid on YouTube, because it has to do with homesteading and preserving, I said, I'll spend money on that. So I'm thankful for the opportunities. Y'all check her out so you can get in on the next box for September. And she's already talking about the fall and winter boxes, so I'm super excited about those. I do think I will be a regular. I'm a sucker for these kind of things. But hey, they're useful, great items. So until we meet again, y'all, may you be blessed. Love you guys. Hope you enjoyed it.